that a thing? Oh, it looks so disgusting.
So we're on our way to Cornwall. I look really brown in this light. Paul and Nikki are in a different car. She like my nails. Becca done them, white and silver. Very holiday. Sorry, backtracked. Basically the same, but she's got rose gold glitter and I've got silver. Paul and Nikki in a separate car basically. Becca's driving because
Why the hell
not? And we basically don't have enough space in one car because we've got all of this stuff as well. Some of it's next doors because next door are coming as well, but they're leaving later because football. They've got to go football training. Starbucks! Big hole! It was Starbucks! Yes!
Does anybody have a map? Anybody maybe happen to know how the hell to do this? I don't know if you can tell, but this is me.
Sucker!
So where's the map? I need a girl figure me out. Time for me to figure me out. Time for me to figure me out. And if you stop,
Laundry.
I look disgusting.
Swimming pool. Oh, there was a pool
Got pink
there.
hair though.
Huh?
There was a
I
pool
look
there.
disgusting.
It's a local pool.
Oh, so you'd have to pay to go.
That's enough, thank you. I've got enough chips.
It's a lush sauce though.
What are you doing?
Lunch. Oh, we're not in wet wow.
Do you actually?
You know where we're going?
No. I could probably map it on my phone. My phone's probably saved my parking location.
Oh, right, so you've got to use an app to find out where you parked.
No, my phone just automatically does it for me. That's technology, Paul.
See, you weren't going to turn, were you?
We are in Cornwall. I was about to say Nuki. We've been to Nuki today. We had to pop back because Paul forgot Nikki's wetsuits. Nikki's unpacking the shopping. Not the shopping, the food. It's not shopping, we didn't just buy it, we brought it. That's the kitchen. We have a table which has 6 seats around it. Even though there's 4 of us.
No, because it can sleep 6.
Where does
That's a pull-out sofa bed.
Oh, let's get Sophie on here and I'll have a double bed. And then, so this is like the lounge area, and you come out here. You've got a balcony. I don't know if you see me because that's quite embarrassing. And then you come back in here. I should have really turned this around, but we will. We have a bathroom, but Sophie's not having a shower right now because she went surfing, well, bodybuilding. This is mine and Sophie's room. I'm packed. I'm going to sleep here. Sophie's going to sleep here. Got a nice bit of a wardrobe space. That's a door. Harry Potter, you in there? No, just cleaning stuff. And then we come upstairs. I know there's stairs. Exhausting stairs. And we've got a little bench. Just in case, you know, get to the top of the stairs, it's like, oh, I'm exhausted now. Then we come in here. Nikki and Paul have an ensuite. Oh my God, look at this bath. Look at the bath. Oh, I want this bath. Come up here. You got their bed. There's loads of room. We've got like a sky thingy, which I can see out of. Hello. Don't drop your phone, Rebecca. Yeah, and I think you can just about see the sea. I don't know, but we will. And yeah, that is holiday home tour. And yeah, I'm just gonna unpack now, I guess. And I'm really sweaty, which isn't something anyone does. Now we're at dinner and we're walking down to the beach. And this is my first time on the beach with the gang. Should we take some photos?
Should we just photos? Hello!
Bob, I dare you to put your foot in.
That's what I'm gonna do.
Vlog.
Oh my God! That's so calm. That's so.
Oh, really? Bob's gone out very deep. I mean, at this point, he's just submerged.
So, work out what your pose is going to be, because it can be anything. Yes? And then obviously I'll
Does it have to be cool?
well, you can do what you like, because if you're all different and all wacky, and then obviously I'll give a few briefings about, well, I'll have to tell them, I have to remind them about the yellow and the flag, because you know what newbies are like, they forget, don't they?
We just got back from bodyboarding. I couldn't take down my phone because obviously waves. I didn't really want to lose it. I have got a waterproof camera with me, so I might take it one day when we go. But it was the first time, so I kind of just wanted to enjoy it and be in the moment. Just got back, warming up. We're gonna have some lunch, and I think we're gonna pop into Nuki. We're on our way, walking to Nuki.
Hold on to your hat.
Don't go near the edge, please. I'll wait for overnight about it.
Oh no, thank you.
And if you close to the edge.
Sophie!
What? That was not standing.
So kind of, well, the thing is,
Yeah.
the job here is this
Is this the same beach?
Yeah. You see where all those people are in the distance? That's where we were this morning. Yeah.
We should get a photo of us.
Go and take a photo, Mum.
Take a photo! Do a funny face.
Did it actually eat the ice cream?
Yeah, it took
Yeah,
the
it's
whole
taken the
thing
whole
off.
thing.
It left me with like a little cone on the bottom.
Weirdly, I didn't think.
Why are you laughing?
I didn't even know they liked ice
It's
cream.
because I turned around and went, I hate them, and then the next thing it took my ice cream. And Chris was behind me laughing.
I wish someone got it on camera. I can't lie.
I don't think that's the point, Ted. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
Oh! Oh! Oh!
No, hang on, I'll build a bridge.
Now you've got to get to it.
No longer.
I didn't want to get my feet all wet.
Take your shoes off.
Oh, the bridge is gone. Look.
Oh, Bob, you're such a...
Oh.
We should have just gone through the open end. No one's left the bridge.
Where's Nat going? Is she running it?
We do this every day as part of the process, Ted.
Oh yeah.
Hey, come on, Nick. Sprint finish. Oh, don't be boring, Come on, do a little jog.
Remember Ron, you know Ron, you're Ron, who does maths. Ron the gardener, right? And he's really nice, he's like 80 something, but he's quite, like, he's way on the ball. Anyway, his wife died, I don't know, let's say 12 years ago.
Something like that, yeah.
Right? And a smell came up that day, like, and it was an old, like a more old perfume.
Perfume, like, you know, they all wear
And
the same.
my mum said it
It's
smelled
something
like the
happens with old people
perfume.
and they all go like, I've got to buy that perfume.
What's the smell of urine?
That's not a massage. Yeah, I don't want to give you a massage. Come on, just be
I
nice.
think a lot of these machines are all very well, but most of them don't work
I
as
see.
well as you want them to.
Bob, you're not relaxed.
And I
Don't
still
sit
think-
down.
Excuse me. Hello. You didn't say hi. Oh.
You've got to educate your kids on their drinking alcohol, I think.
Drink alcohol.
They're a bit young. Oh, let's have some of your one.
You won't like it. Don't backwash into it with cheese.
Oh, he always backwashes. Bro. Cheers.
They were better chips second time round.
Third time round.
Look over there.
Wow, I can't even drink like that out of a wine glass. So
So it's now Monday, the 27th of July, I think, and it is raining outside quite heavily. It's about 9 AM. Everyone's awake because they're just chilling. Come on, be yes. I want to watch a bit of TV. I don't know why I said that was so weirdly. But yeah. Oh, that is just gorgeous. It's absolutely gorgeous. Smile!
Top knot.
do you want cream and marshmallows with your...
Cho Chang on what Quidditch Street?
On Ravenclaws.
Oh, I know what it is.
What's the question? Oh, it's not our question.
Rebecca knows.
Cho Chang.
That was
What is it?
What Harry Potter's girlfriend?
Dirty
No.
Sanchez was the Welsh one.
Does he play Beta?
never seen
What? No,
but
Cho Chang.
Beta
Cho-
Chaser.
Good morning! I'm eating. That was the worst time to start that. Oh, we've just been bodyboarding, like literally as soon as we got up. We had the plumber around this morning, but we then just went straight out bodyboarding and we just got back. I'm eating my breakfast. I've got some avo on toast, my favourite. Nikki's in the bath. I've got a massive spot here, so we need to sort her out. Sophie's in the shower, and yeah, we're going out in like 45 minutes, so come with us today on an adventure. We're in Padstow. Bob's already demolishing his sausage roll. Is it good? How would you rate it out of 10?
8.
Oh, why not? Where's the extra 2 points gone? Oh.
9.
Okay. Hello, so I've had to end part 1 here because I can't upload more than 15 minutes at a time. It's a whole thing. But part 2 will be coming shortly, picking up literally from the same day. I've just cut it off because it seemed like a good point to cut off. And yeah, so that was our last moments in Padstow. Stay tuned for the rest of the day.